Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holtz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. I am working with Link2Quotes. Now for those of you that are newer to Link2Quotes or considering it, one of the things I like about this product is it has some great potential from a sales point of view. It's a great way to create quotes whether you're a product business or a service business. Having said that, the developers of Link2Quotes, the folks at Keystroke, they have put so many options in here to try to accommodate so many different types of businesses and users that the flip side of that is because there are so many options, some things can be a little bit confusing in my opinion. So in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about something that I think is an interesting way to work with these quotes, but it's something that isn't 100% intuitive. So I want to point that out to you. What I have right here is I have some products that have already put into Link2Quotes. So if I wanted to create a quote for ice cream, you'll notice that I've got chocolate ice cream, strawberry, and vanilla, and there is nothing over here on the right. Versus these three items, the cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip, and peach, they are an option group, and I called it option group examples. How does this play out? What's the difference between having things in an option group and things that are not in an option group? Well, let me show you what it can look like. I'm going to come here to a quote that I worked on. And what an option group does is it allows me to say to someone, of these three items, you can only choose one. So what do I mean by that? Well, here is an actual look at the quote. And you'll notice the vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, this is not part of an option group. So they can uncheck whatever they want. And they can check what they want. So it just adds the amount. But an option group is the last three items, peach, mint chocolate chip, or cookies and cream. And what an option group does is it only allows them to select one of these three items. It's an option to pick only one of them. These, I can pick all of them. Okay, so the options down here, the option group, you can only pick one of those three. And depending on how your business works, I think that can be an interesting way to work with some of the items here. Do you want A, B, or C? Do you want peach, mint chocolate chip, or cookies and cream? You can only choose one. And obviously this is a setting that you can do behind the scenes. And that's where an option group can come in. When you have to make a decision on one of many items and only one of many items. So I just wanted to show you that and give you a little insight into what I'm trying to do here. I'm learning this software. It has so many options that sometimes I'll do things and then I'll circle back and say, wait a minute, how did I do that again? And I have to ask. So as I'm asking these questions, I'm going to come up with tutorials to address some of these things that I myself had to ask questions about. Okay, everyone, thank you so very much for being here. Have a great day. Bye now.